Hello guys and welcome back. So now from this video onwards we will start working on our mission system. For the mission system you will be needing this characters vendor file, so go ahead and download this, then you can extract it right here. Click on yes to all. Okay, it will give you these 5 files. So what we're gonna do with them, we're gonna open up Unity, click on game assets, then prefabs, and in here we're gonna drag and drop all of these 5 folders. Okay, so if we open up the first one, in here you will find the Smith character, the animations for that character, and also this is the animation for the camera. Okay, this is the animator for the character, and if we go inside the source, in here you will find the Smith character, but we will not be using that one. We will be using this character. Okay, all of these animations and character are from miximo.com. And also in here you will find this villa, okay, which is this one. So what we can do, we can actually delete this because we will not be using that one. We will be using the other one. I think it is the first one, okay, which is this one. And delete the second one now. If you want you can use the second one, but I will be using just the first one. And let me tell you that both of the villas are from sketchfab.com. okay, this is the creator name, okay, and this is the villa which we are using in our mission, and also the other villa was from the same creator as well. So if you want you can go ahead and download it from here and give a review or comment to this creator. Okay, now once we have the characters and everything, so let's first of all set up the player house. Okay, so if you open up the player house folder, which is this Tommy house, in here you will find this house. Okay, this house is created by us. Okay, so we are the owner of this asset and you can freely use this house wherever you want. Okay, so let's drag and drop this GTA FPX file right here. Okay, then let's move it a little bit to this side and then a little bit right here, and make sure to move it down so that it touches the ground. Okay, the stairs, if you see the stairs right here. Okay, so I'm gonna move it to the ground like this. Okay, so this will be our house. So once you add this, you will notice that these doors will be really small for the player character. If we play the game and go ahead and check it out, okay, as you can see, these doors are really small for the player. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, in the introductory video, as you saw, this door was open. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move it like this. Okay, so make this 0 and this will be minus 180. Then let's move it there, then right here. Okay, like this, and then move it forward till that point. Okay, so make this door open and then the other one as well, which is this one. So let's make this 0. Okay, then move it inside there, then move it till this corner like that. Okay, so now the doors are open, but there is still the height issue. So to set up the height thing, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna select these doors. Okay, and then this wall, then these things as well. Okay, if we move it up, as you can see, this is the whole thing. Okay, then there are these mirrors as well, so make sure that you select these mirrors as well. Now if we move it up, okay, it's still not selecting this mirrors. Now if we move it up, okay, so now it selected the mirrors as well. Okay, so if you notice right here we have these mirrors as well, and then these as well, so we need to select them as well. Let's close in. Okay, make sure that you hold down the control button while selecting all of these. So select it, and now let's move it up. Okay, they are moving with it. Let's select these mirrors as well. So select it, then select this other one. Okay, it is selected. Now if you move it up, okay, it move up. Now when you select all of that, then click on this rec tool. Okay, and let's move down so that it shows the height thing like this. Okay, if we move up, as you can see, it shows the box in which we can change the width. So if you move down, it will show the box in order to change the height. Okay, so let's change the height like that, and also move them down as well so that they are on the ground. And when you do that, let's start the game. Alright, so if we check it out now, as you can see, the problem is now solved. Okay, and our player can go and walk in there and also walk out, and everything else looks perfectly fine, as you can see. Okay, so it works now. So just make sure that you select everything and then change their height and also open the doors for the player. Okay, and when you do that, the player will be able to go inside the house in a perfect manner. Okay, now we can click on prefab. Then actually what I can do is I can click on this. All right, okay, we can't apply it, so then I'm gonna just simply click on prefab and then unpack completely, and then name this as player house. Okay, so once we set this up, now in the next video what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on our first mission. Okay, and then after that we will add the other missions as well. So now with this done, let's end this video right here.